It's SRTA 6.4, but it has a cannibal supercharger. But we've been having problems with the fuel, trying to keep the pressure in the line. But with the original fuel pump, we're not gonna make it. So we need to install. We had a double pump from Fore Innovation. Double pump, and we want to do the whole fuel system, new fuel lines, new fuel rails, and let's see what's up. Let's see how much power this truck want to make. But for sure, we need a fuel system first. This is the control. This box controls the two pumps. One is only work with when the car's running. The other one, it comes with the boost, with the sensor. We have sensor right here. This one work with vacuum. So with this one, like read the wheel on boost, it activate the second pump and fuel rail. And we got the fuel lines. We got the fuel pressure regulator right here. Wires and connect the wires for the sending unit, the fuel sending unit. And then run the fuel line, put the tank back on, and that's it.
So you connect those wires with the factory connectors, or it comes with
This one already come with the kit.
Okay.
So we gotta run this wire to the fuel pump control.
All right.
And then this is the fuel sending unit. And next step, put the tank back on. And then this fuel pumps are bigger than the original.
Oh, okay.
And they like we can use for E85 fuel.
All right.
Yep. Take maybe the power steering pump.
You'll see it's stuck right there. Right here. The pulley on the power steering pump is holding it. All right, guys, so we got those new fuel rails installed.
Regulator too.
The regulator, oh, that's the regulator right there?
Yeah.
All right.
Now we regulate the pressure, the fuel pressure. And then I just gotta connect the fuel line, put the supercharger back on, and then like we have to start the control. Remember the one that I showed you, right?
Yeah.
So we gotta do that, and then this car is gotta be running in like 2 hours and a half.
So it looks like you got that. What is this? What is this?
Kenny Bell.
This Kenny Bell?
Don't touch mine. See how it look? It look clean. I like the car look clean. But we already did the fuel rails, fuel line, fuel pressure regulator. We got the supercharger already in the engine too. I just gotta put everything back together, and then I gotta connect like the electrical part that is that control. That's it. And then see how the car runs, and it will be ready for dyno tomorrow.
All right, cool. So we got all the fuel lines hooked up. We're gonna go in here and get an update from Melvin real quick. See what he got for us.
Aquí, giro debajo la carpeta para la batería. Aquí, like this. Put a clamp right here. Run the wires. This one, they're gonna be here. The control is already under the carpet. Put it right here, and I just gotta get the power. Put the number 1, connect it, put everything together, bam. We're ready, homie.
Ready, baby. That's it.
Can you tell YouTube what's going on?
This is the fuel pump control. So in this case, we only have 2 pumps. So one is gonna work like when the car starts the whole time, and the other one just with like the boost. Got more boost. We had a sensor that control the second pump. They activate like on and off, just when it's getting a boost. So that's what we're doing right now. We already run the wires. This is the wire from the fuel pump, and this is for the sensor that controls the pump number 2.
This is a 4L L2 system for the Jeep JK, the WK2.
Yes, sir. So right here with my boy, Jaime Special, he's trying to explain me how everything to install it, and then we'll see what's up, homebro. What's up, okay? Let's see.